What's going on, guys? Julian here, jlewistraining.com, doing a quick review on MNI. Posted this in chat and all of the chat rooms that we have going on right now, and just put it out there that people should maybe keep an eye on this. It was a pre-market mover. I was moving up on some good size, good volume, and thought it was something to watch. 200-day simple moving average is moving to the upside. Price actions on top of it and the 20-day simple moving average, and everything was aligned for this thing to potentially break long. The one thing we were looking at was a potential breakout where price action could have taken that out, come back into the range. And that's essentially what happened. But after that, you'll actually see that price action flagged right through here. It faded a little bit off that top, pulled back in, and then in this little area, there was some serious accumulation, and then price action just started to step up much higher. It eventually hit a high of day of about 260 and has since faded. Now, I don't know if all of the momentum is gone on this stock. I don't know that I'm going to be sticking around for the power hour. There could be a potential dip buying opportunity down through here with an ascending triangle. Squeeze play potentially. Do I think this thing is going to bump? I really don't know. I'm not going to stick around and watch, but the one thing we did do correctly is that we pinpointed the volatility in this stock today. We did so a few hours before the market opened. We put it out there across all of our channels. We let the people know, and the net result is there were a number of traders in our community that were on top of this even before me. And they were on it, they were watching it, they were hawking it, and did very well on it. So these are some of the low float opportunities that we like to look at every single day. If you have any questions about this, by all means reach out, Julian at jlewistraining.com. And again, this was a really nice little flag pattern off of the 20-day simple moving average. You'll notice that 20 is layered over that 200. For me, I really need to see price action trading right off of the 20 to get long a position. It's the same thing I do on all of my options, and that generally will carry a very, very high ratio of success. So this is what we did today, or not me personally, but our team traded MNI. Great trade. This thing currently is up 325%. I think when we put this out there this morning, it was up 200 and some odd percent, and so it was a very solid moving stock. Again, if you're watching this video after that big move, or even after the session has closed, full disclosure, this is not investment grade stuff. This is not something that I would put a dime on long term. It's just about the fact that this stock was the host of some extreme intraday volatility. We took advantage of it, and we are done. The team knows that. That's what they do. They see that volatility. They understand that it's going to be a short-lived event. Zero FOMO. They hit it, and they either hit their profit targets or their stops get hit. One of the two things, but they never think twice about holding this overnight or look at this as investment-grade stuff. Low floats are garbage, but they're the only asset class that holds such a high level of volatility, and that's why we trade them. They're fantastic for that. They're fantastic for small account growth, etc., and so forth. If you have any questions, Julian at jlewistraining.com.